Welcome to our channel, Artificial Intelligence Apex Academy. How would you like to have your very own personal assistant available 24/7 to help you with anything you need? Well, with the power of AI technology, that dream can now become a reality. Today we're going to talk about how you can use the AI power tool, AI Assistant, in your daily life to make things easier and more efficient. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your AI assistant already planning out your day for you. From organizing your schedule to reminding you of important tasks, the AI assistant can truly be a lifesaver. Need help with grocery shopping? Stuck in traffic and running late for a meeting? Feeling overwhelmed with emails and messages? Your AI assistant has got you covered, making these tasks effortless and stress-free. Looking for new recipes, staying updated with the latest news, or adapting to your preferences and habits? The AI assistant provides personalized assistance tailored to your needs. Ready to revolutionize the way you go about your daily routines? Give the AI assistant a try and experience the modern marvel of AI technology firsthand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.